there, my name is Vince. I just want to say, how you doing? And happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. And if you don't celebrate, then I hope you're having the best day ever, enjoying yourself with friends, family, loved ones, or reading a book all by yourself. If that's what makes you happy, because we all deserve to be happy. I know what makes a lot of the very cool gang happy: getting exclusive tool deals that can't be found anywhere else. Black Friday is going to start for you right now because I'm leaking these deals a day in advance. So grab a cup of coffee to counteract that tryptophan that's coursing through those veins, because we got a ton of deals to go over and you won't want to miss any of it. So open those eyeballs and ear holes. Make sure to use the YouTube shopping button to follow along and score these deals. First up, we got a few huge price drops on DeWalt. The DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max drill and impact driver kit with two 2-amp-hour batteries, charger in a bag goes from $249 all the way down to $149. But if you just wanted a solid deal on an Atomic drill without the additional battery and no impact driver, we have it in a kit. The price on that kit was $179, but for a limited time, it's $99. For the mechanics, the DeWalt 20-volt max XR brushless cordless 3/8 and 1/2 inch sealed head ratchet with DeWalt power stack oil resistant battery charger in a bag goes all the way from $379 to $299. Okay, it's the moment you've all been waiting for, the Milwaukee tool deals. First up, when you buy the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 14-inch top handle chainsaw, you'll get an additional 14-inch chain free. But here's the best part. Original price for that saw is $349. But from right now through Black Friday, or while supplies last, it comes all the way down to $269. That one is gonna sell out. We have a 24-hour price drop on a bundle that includes an M18 Fuel Sawzall, a 15-piece Sawzall blade set in a pack out, and a 2-pack of Forge XC 8.0 batteries. Regular price on that would be $677.97. But till the end of Black Friday, they've marked that all the way down to $469. And finally, you can get 15% off of all in-stock Milwaukee. But here's the deal. It will not stack with any other existing deals or be available on any Forge batteries, heated gear, or items that have been released in the last 90 days. Of course, these are all limitations set by Milwaukee, but it will apply to thousands of items, so mix and match your best deals. These deals start right now, but remember, quantities and times are limited. So if a part of the deal sells out, that part of the deal will be over. But don't be mad. Be glad that getting subscribed is an option, and enable all notifications, because the notification squad eats like a gremlin after midnight. Feed them tool deals and they start trembling. Never pay full price for tools ever again. For those of you that are YouTube shopping button illiterate, but want to learn, depending on which device you're watching on, all of the deals will show up in different spots. For instance, if you watch on a computer, the products will be below in the description. If you watch on a mobile phone, there will be a little shopping button in the lower left-hand corner of this video. Even if you're watching on a TV, there will be a QR code to scan so you can score these deals. It's so much easier. But for the old timers that don't like change, links in the description. Now that was a ton of deals, and that was a lot to say, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret. We've got more exclusive deals on the way for Cyber Monday. They're going to be even bigger, but the bigger the savings, the more exclusive the deals get, so make sure you don't miss out. And if you need more tool deals in your life, then check out this next video.